first, AI and IVR systems, which is initial voice response systems, is a hurdle. If somebody calls, they want to talk to a human. And in some cases, they can provide the information. But when was the last time you got on a call with a bot that said, I can understand you, and then it couldn't? Did that make you feel good or bad? Well, it made me feel bad. One of the things that we know is the more hurdles you put up, the worse the experience is for the client. And the other thing is, AI phone systems have not been around long enough to have valuable data. And if somebody is able to get an AI bot going for $25,000 and they never had a phone system before, they may see an increase in sales for the 10% of people who may engage with that. What we know as a human is that 98% of our calls are engaged with, 10% being AI. If that's a great increase for you, then by all means do it. But one of the things that we've seen is that if you replace a human, you're not going to get that human interaction. And by replacing a human with AI and AI phone capabilities, you're really putting a detriment or a hurdle in place for your clients to overcome. And I guarantee you, people are not going to chase your business to pay you. So don't make it difficult. Use AI to support those humans and provide information, even offer quality assurance on the calls. Offer a better understanding and a better way to take care of the people that are on the phones. Don't replace the humans. You
Mhm.
could lose a lot more than you think.